In this video, we're going to show you how to install the license plate bracket on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the front bumper. We're going to start by removing our license plate. Our particular plate is using 3/8 screws. Remove those and then remove the plate. Now our license plate bracket is held on by 4 3/8 screws. Use your socket and loosen and remove these. Set those aside. Grab the bracket, remove it. Now's a good time to go ahead and clean this up while we have the bracket off. Line up the bracket, and we're going to start to install the screws here. We'll get the 2 top ones started. That'll hold the plate bracket in place. Go ahead and buzz the bottom ones in. I'm going to just gently snug those into the bumper. And then do the same for the top. And then go ahead and install your front plate. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.